Hello students, I Munmun Kumari, your English teacher, welcome you to your English 2 class. Today we will start our third chapter, that is an elephant is hard to hide. First of all, let us have a look about the poet of the poem, Jack Prelutsky. He is an American writer of children poetry who has published over 50 poetry collection. His famous works includes The Terrible Tiger and It's Christmas. So the poet of the poem is Jack Prelutsky. He is an American writer. So he belongs from America, and he is a poet of children, and he have published about 50 poetries. He has a collection of 50 poetries, and some of his famous work include The Terrible Tiger and It's Christmas. So The Terrible Tiger and It's Christmas are some of famous work of Jack Prelutsky. Now have a look at the word meanings of the poem. Unrewarding. What do you mean by unrewarding? Unrewarding means not rewarding or satisfying. Unrewarding means not pleasing someone by doing what they want. So, this is the meaning of unrewarding. Core. Core means tedious tasks. Means too long or dull tasks or work. Manifest. Manifest means a kind of show. Trait. Quality. Disguise. Hide. So, we came to know about the poet of the poem and the word meanings of the poem. So now let us start the poem. An elephant is hard to hide. It is rather tall and fairly wide. It occupies a lot of space. You can't just put it any place. What does this line says? That an elephant is very big. It is very hard to hide. So we can't put it anywhere. It is very hard to hide. It's rather tall and fairly wide. The size of the elephant is given that it is very tall and it is very broad. It is wide. It occupies a lot of space. Also, it occupies a large space. You can't just put it any place. And the speaker says that you can't just put it at any place. It is quite an unrewarding core. Means unrewarding core means it is not a satisfying task. So whenever an elephant is being brought, it is not a satisfying task to try and cram it in a drawer. Cram, what is the meaning of cram? Force something large into too small place. Cram means to force something very large object into a small place. So the speaker is saying that it is not a great task to put or cramp it in a drawer. A closet somewhat better, but you are apt to find a drawer won't shut. So the poet says that a closet is better. So the poet says that the closet is better than the drawer. But the speaker says that if we put the elephant in the closet, means if we put it in our almirah, then the drawer won't shut. So if an elephant is put in an almirah, the drawer of the almirah won't shut. An elephant beneath your bed will manifest both tail and head. So the speaker says that when we put the elephant beneath our bed, means under our bed, then what will it show? It will show both its tail and head. So the tail and head of the elephant will be shown if we put the elephant under the bed. And in the tub there little doubt that it will soon be singled out. And in the tub also the elephant will not be fitted. So it will not be fit and it will soon come out. An elephant won't simply sit, it tends to move about a bit. This trait, when coupled with its size, makes a nightmare to disguise. So the speaker says that when an elephant is brought, it will not simply sit. It will move here and there. It will not simply sit. This trait, when coupled with its size, make a nightmare to disguise. So the speaker says that when this trait means when this quality of size is coupled, means when this quality of size is being double, this become a nightmare to disguise. And when the size of the elephant is double, then the speaker can't hide it. It will become a nightmare. It will seem like a nightmare. And the nightmare will be in such a way that we can't hide it. An elephant, if kept around, is almost certain to be found. Your parents may suspect one near when peanut starts to disappear. In this paragraph, the poet says that an elephant, if kept around, is almost certain to be found. And the poet says that if we will keep the elephant here and there, then if we keep it around our house, it is very sure that it will be found by any one of us. Your parents may suspect one near when peanut start to disappear, and your parents will also start to understand that something is in our house, so our peanuts are disappearing. As our peanuts are disappearing, something might be there in our house. So your parents will also start to suspect that something is there in our house. An elephant is hard to hide. I know it is because I have tried. My family should detect mine soon. I brought it home this afternoon. And in the last paragraph, the speaker says that yes, the elephant is very hard to hide, as because I have tried it. I have tried to hide the elephant, and my family will soon catch up me, as because I have brought one elephant this afternoon at my home. So my family will soon detect mine. So students, our poem is completed here. So your homework is to go through the poem and read the poem and learn the word meanings. In our next chapter, in our next video, we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 5. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.